guys, it's Derek from the Olive Oil Co. Today we are doing an olive wood smoked cod. This is a super easy recipe, guys. All you need from our store is the olive wood smoked olive oil. If you love smoky flavors, this is the one for you. And for all ingredients and amounts, again, please go to our website where everything is posted in the recipe. All the information for that will be below. Now we just get on to our recipe. First, we'll have to work on our marinade, so let's get all our ingredients put together in a little bag. So to start with our marinade, you first need to get some fresh rosemary sprigs. You can coarsely chop these up. You will need some salt and pepper as well. You're going to throw all these into the bag. And once these are all in the bag, you can just seal it up for a moment. And you're just going to rub it all together. So you're basically making your own rosemary, pepper, sea salt mix here. Alright, so once you have your rosemary salt all crushed up together, you just want to take your fish, season it both sides with that, and then take your olive wood smoked olive oil and coat both sides of your fish and just let that sit for about 20 to 30 minutes. Alright, these are done marinating. We've got them on our pan here. So again, we're just going to let these bake in our oven for 10 to 12 minutes. I do love me a smoky smell. This is making me salivate just smelling it here. I'm just going to take my lemon, do our fresh little squeeze right on top. Get my bite here. Oh, that perfectly flaky. Ooh. That is really nice, guys. Oh, that rosemary. The warm flavor of rosemary. I love it so much. Also, side note, our salad today, we are doing a dressing of basil olive oil and raspberry dark balsamic. I hope you guys liked this video and this recipe. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe. And we'll see you guys next time. Just go to our little search bar, do the typity type, and search for olive wood smoked halibut, but this time we're using cod. Let's not. I will link that below in YouTube, and I will put the instructions on Instagram. I don't like that.